Hi, my name is Thomas and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I want to show you how to install WordPress locally on your machine using XAMPP. So what you want to do is, first of all, you want to go in and download XAMPP, and you can just download it through a patch frames like this. I already downloaded it, but you just want to choose one of those. And after that, you want to install it. I already did that, so I'll skip this part. What then you want to do is you want to start it up like this, and you want to. I'll just stop them for the show. And you want to start the MySQL, and you want to start the Apache. These two things have to be running, otherwise it won't work. And it's important that it's port 80, because otherwise it also won't work. When you've done that, you want to go back to your browser and you want to install WordPress. You want to go to wordpress.org like this, and you want to get the newest WordPress, and you want to download that. So when you've done that, I'll just minimize this one. I have one right here. What you want to do is you want to go into File Explorer. You want to go to this PC, your local drive. You want to go to XAMPP, which is installed. If you haven't touched anything, it will be installed as basically here. And what you want to do is go to this one called htdocs. And here is where you have all your website WordPress. As you can see, I already added WordPress here. So what you want to do is rename this to whatever you want to call your website. So let's just call it website just for now. And when you've done that, and if you can see, it has all the basics you want to have for a WordPress website to work. So what you want to do now is you want to go to your browser again, and you want to go to this one called localhost / and then your website name, which mine was just website, and hit enter. You want to wait for it to load. And now you're in the setup config file. So what you want to do is choose your language. I'll just choose English. Hit continue. And here it says welcome. And what you want to do now is create a database. So hit let's go. And when you're here, you want to go back to your XAMPP. Open that up. And you want to push the admin button next to MySQL. This will open up another site, MySQL, my admin site, and you want to create a new database. So you hit databases, and you want to create the name. I'll just call it website because that was the same as my my website name, and this is just fine. It's just generic, so this is fine. And then you hit this one to create it. And if you haven't touched anything, this is the basics of it, and I will recommend this. So you'll type in what you called it, which was website. The default username is root, and the password is blank, so you just have to remove that. The database host and table prefix is fine, you don't have to touch that. And then you hit submit. And you're all right, sunshine, it says, and then you had to push run this installation. And when you don't have to put in a sign table, you just want to put in a username and a password. I'll just use test1243 like that. I know it's weak, but it's just for the test and to show you guys. And I want to confirm that it's weak and that I know that. I want to push in my email and hit install. And that was successful. So now you just want to log in with your new username and password. It does that sometimes. You just have to refresh the picture. And there you go. That is how you install WordPress locally on your machine and using the XAMPP program. The next video I will show you how to create a website using Elementor, which is one of my favorites. I will talk about I also used some other tools, but I think Elementor is the best one, and I'll tell you why in the next video. If you have any comments or something you need to get more specified, if I run over it too fast, let me know. Hit me with some comments. Please subscribe so you can follow me with my next videos. I will also make a video how to move it from your local computer to your web hotel when you're done with your website. That's a pretty cool plugin for that. But hit the subscribe button and hope to see you soon. Bye guys.